Hello, I'm Natalie from Engaging Content, and I work with service business website owners who are looking to level up their website, sort out their SEO, and get more traffic and leads. I work with companies who struggle to get to in-person networking, or perhaps they're fed up slaving away on social media for little or no return. But either way, they already have a website and they want to make it better. To help do that and get on page 1 of Google in just 180 days, I have a 3-step process. But first of all, if I was to tell you 53% of traffic that comes to a website is from organic search, whereas only 15% comes from paid search and less than 5% comes from social media, I'm sure you'll agree that those are interesting stats. So the 3 steps I will use to help rank in Google for more traffic and leads is, first of all, we will strategize. We will take a step back and we'll assess your website from a wider view. We're going to audit and analyze it, and we're going to do some really important keyword research and compare what your competitors are doing and how your website measures up and what gaps there are that need to be filled. We will go deep with the problem you solve, because this is the key to aligning the problem with the solution. Secondly, we will organise. So we will gather all of your content on and offline. We will align it with the research that we've done previously, and we will make a plan, because you need compelling content that your ideal customer can easily access, so that they can get to know you and make an informed decision about working with you. And I believe that there's an awful lot of wealth in your existing content, so let's not waste that. Let's use that to its full advantage. The third thing we're going to do is we're going to optimize. So we are going to get all of your content properly structured, ready for the search engines to be able to discover, crawl, index, and eventually rank your pages in the search engine results page. And the result here. So not only are you going to have a more engaging website with a better user experience, but you're going to have high quality, keyword-rich content that is optimized and bringing in those consistent leads for you. So the first thing we would work on together is we would do the audit. We would review what's happening, we would measure and benchmark what you're doing currently, then we would fix some of those niggles and get some of those quick wins that I've had great success with. And we'll nail those top level keywords, because it's really important that Google knows what it is you want to be known for. The second thing we will do is we'll set up the all-important SEO tools so that we can track and measure your progress. And I will introduce you to my all-in-one SEO platform, which brings the 3 core tools together and just makes everything so much simpler. And we'll then finalize your sitemap. And then thirdly, we have a plan. Now we want to execute that plan, and we want to bring your content to life, because traffic is one thing. If we're bringing the right traffic, that's great. But what we want to do is be clear about what your offer is, build up that trust, and get your ideal customer taking that next step with you. I've had some great results on this 3-step process. I worked with a care agency in London who were getting a lot of traffic to their website because they were doing Google ads, but they were struggling to get those conversions. And so by up-leveling their landing pages, providing more in-depth content that their ideal customer wanted, their conversions massively improved. They had more sign-ups, they had the phone ringing more, they were able to start really growing their audience and their email list. And I also worked with a sleep coach who helps parents who are struggling to get their little ones to sleep consistently. In just 1 month of working together, my client was able to make some quick wins to her website, and she got 3 conversions from local search where she had her inquiry form filled out, and one of those she was able to convert into a sale pretty much immediately. And she was over the moon. She'd never had anybody arrive at her website and fill out the form. And another good example was a silversmith who I've been working with. Not only did we identify the right keyword, but we got her onto page 1, position 1 within just 3 months for both the local and the national search. So she was over the moon, as you can imagine. If all of this sounds ideal and what you've been waiting for, what do you need to do next? Well, simply, you need to book a demo with me. Simply click the link below, book a demo, and you will be taken to a calendar page where you can choose your preferred date, answer a couple of questions that will help enrich our time together so that when we get on that call, I can help personalize it to your website and what you want to achieve. You need to act now. Don't delay anymore because this non-action on your website is costing you time and money. So if you want to get on page 1 of Google in 180 days so that you can get more traffic and leads, you know what you need to do. Press the button below, book a demo with me, and I'll see you on page 1 of Google.